Sometimes a journey is not about reaching a destination, but about witnessing a fleeting miracle of nature. I took the road to Baranti, driving through the heart of Purulia in search of something that lasts only for a few days every year: the flame of the forest. Baranti, a land of silence, where the hills whisper the old stories, and the water mirrors the sky and the hills. As the golden sun melts into the still waters, the wind carries the stories of the next day. The next morning was written in the name of the unknown. Jajahatu, a name unheard, a place untouched, and then, as if nature had been waiting for me, there it was, an endless forest ablaze with the colors of spring, Palash in full bloom, setting the land on fire without a single flame. But then a surprise. Among the red flames, a quiet rebel, yellow Palash, fewer in number, hidden from most eyes, yet standing bright, glowing like gold against the burning forest. Rare, precious, mysterious. The simplicity, rustic beauty, tranquility. My heart is full. Now is the time to return. Some colors fade with time, but their memory lingers. This was more than a road trip. It was a journey through time, through untouched landscapes, through nature's brief yet eternal masterpiece.